Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix face unlock not working on NUBIA Neo 3. Let's begin. First of all, let's enable one setting that will surely help you with unlocking your device with your face. First, let's go into the settings, and then let's scroll down a little and enter security and privacy. Then you want to scroll down and enter device unlock. Now let's go into fingerprint and face unlock. But before we do anything, we first need to enter our current lock screen password. For me, it's this very simple 1234 PIN. Now I will head into face unlock, and I will make sure that my screen brightness compensation it's enabled. And it's a very nice feature, which will make it so whenever we try to use the face unlock in the dark, it will automatically brighten up the screen, so the camera can see your face better and can indeed see that it is indeed you that's using it. So it will just green mark you, and you will be able to use your face unlock. However, there is a very high chance that this might not work and your face unlock is still not good. And there are a couple of things that you could do to change this. First of all, you want to make sure that you have no clear face, I want to like skin, but you want to have clear face. So most likely no glasses, no actually glasses should be okay, but you want to avoid wearing heavy makeup, because then obviously the face enroll won't just work. You want to avoid having some sort of masks or like bandanas even, or having weird hair. And it all basically boils down to how were you looking when you are actually enrolling your face. We can go into delete facial data like this, and then you can enroll your face once again. And when you're enrolling your face, make sure that you are evenly lit. So you don't want to be in a too bright environment, but you also don't want to be in way too dim environment. Otherwise, your face unlock just won't be as reliable as it could be. And after you've made sure that you have these settings, the last one thing that you can do is to unlock device. And by default it is swipe to unlock when recognized, and this may give you an illusion that it doesn't really work, because you have to manually swipe up. If you don't like this, you can always just disable this, and now every single time, I will just show you right now, every single time I'm going to look at my camera, as you can see I didn't have to do anything. There was no swiping up in order to unlock the device, and everything went really smoothly. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.